Wow, the book is out and I woke up to an absolute madness the other day and I looked tired as hell, but I had to record it to share it with you in real time. Check this out.
Wow. Guys, it is 5 a.m. and I've just woke up to something mental and I want to show you right now. I want to thank you so much for making this possible. It's absolutely ridiculous, but check this out. Check this out, guys. This is crazy. So here I am. Go on amazon.co.uk. Here's the book. All right. Beautiful, looking great up there. Scroll down and would you believe it? We are #1 in all of these different categories. We're in the top 100 books of the whole of Amazon internationally, which is just ridiculous. And we got the one that we wanted, which is #1 in property and real estate financing. As you can see, #1 ahead of, some of the amazing property people out there. Not only are we #1, but we're also number 15. That's the hardback, which is just ridiculous. So really, really grateful for that. Ahead of all the big property books, which is fantastic. Look, Mr. Rich Dad Poor Dad, yeah, we're ahead of all of them. But then what's more, and this is absolutely just blown my mind, is that if you go back, if we scroll down and check another category that we're #1, we are #1 in loads of the business ones. And this is literally a dream come true for me because I've grown up over the past 5 years when I've really got into business and money and property and wealth and systems and all that stuff. These are the guys that I've read. We're talking about Eric Ries, we're talking about Alex Hormozi, we're talking about Michael E. Gerber, The E-Myth, beautiful book. We're talking about MJ DeMarco, all these guys. We're ahead of Rob Moore. We're ahead of some of the absolute giants, which is absolutely amazing. And I just want to thank you so much and let you know that we've done it. And you know what? If you go one higher, you know what I'm like, man. I got to keep pushing. That's just my character. But if we go one higher, we can see we are #5 in the business development and entrepreneurship internationally, which is just ridiculous. Stephen Bartlett's just pipping us at the moment, but marginally. Simon Sinek, wow, Start With The Why. Alex Hormozi again. But you can see we're ahead of Stephen Bartlett's other book, so technically we beat him. So we're really in a great place there. And then if you go one higher still, business, finance, and law, which is once again just absolutely ridiculous. You've got the likes of Elon. Where are we in this one? Rich Dad Poor Dad. We're right up here for that as well. We're number 40. Wow. So blessed and so thankful to you guys. I could not have done this without you, and this is exactly what I was trying to achieve. So we can say we are officially a best-selling author, and this one here kind of got me. We're 468. We're in the top 100 of all books on Amazon, which is just phenomenal. So there you have it. Your boy is an Amazon bestseller, and not only in the rubbish Amazon categories that a lot of these hippies do to get bestseller. No, Mom, it's real. We did it. We even smashed Stephen Bartlett on some of the big business stuff. So I want to thank you so much. The book is out now, and you can get it on Amazon, or I'm giving it you away for free. So if you want it for free, hit the link. All you got to do is pay for me to print it and get it to you, and it's yours. I appreciate you. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Remember, let me know your feedback. Drop us a review on the book because it helps more people find it. And I'll see you soon.